Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. I'm taking this Saturday to do a little back testing. This was probably going to take about 30 minutes. I've already spent 30 minutes prior. Let me see if I can share the screen. Already spent 1 week here practicing, and I'm up 3.95%. But what I'm focusing more than anything else, and what I'm practicing, what I'm here to practice, is keeping my losers short. Specifically, what I'm looking at is anytime a 15-minute candle closes against me or breaks its low or high, depending on what position I'm in, I'm going to cut 50% off. And if it then goes into or continues going in my direction, I'm going to go ahead and add the position. But I am specifically working on risk management. I thought after doing about a week that, hey, maybe this would be instructional and might be helpful to the people who are looking at the content on YouTube. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. I'm trading London, by the way, on this one, practicing London. Let's move to the next bar, which is the next day. Move it by 4 hours twice. That puts it at 1 o'clock in the morning, which is usually a good time to come to the market to see what is happening. This is the 30-minute. I can put it here or I can put it there. Let's go ahead and put it here for now and then go take a look at the overall view of the market. The daily is bullish. We can see how it dropped, found support, and now it's pushing up. The daily is bullish, although there's some rejection going on here in the lower time frames. We got to keep an eye on. 4 hour, this is what we're at. Supply has been mitigated mostly, but it could still fill up even higher. Let's go to the 1 hour. What the 1 hour looks like, which shows me then that it is still at supply. It could drop from here, it could go up. Nice consolidation here though from Asia. And now here's the 30-minute. And basically what I'm looking for or waiting for is for the market to show me a 30-minute that breaks out. So I'm waiting for 30 minutes to break out. If I move this, I could take a sell here potentially because it's rejecting at that area, but I'm going to let it keep going. Up, there it is. That's a buy then. Okay, now I'm waiting to see if I get a retest. I'm going to enter automatically on the retest. Basically, I will have practically a buy limit right here if price returns, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do it manually. So let's go ahead and move the ticker, see if it comes down for a retest. And the moment it touches, I'm going in. Because again, the overall trend is bullish. Even this, what we're looking at is bullish right now. So I'm looking for a potential buy here. If it keeps going up, there's nothing for me to do. I'm not doing anything until I find some level of support. In this case, I'm wanting for it to retest that area of support, and I'm waiting for it. The ticker shows me that it's at 245 right now. Let's go look at the 15-minute candles. Okay, there you go. The 15-minute candle is about to touch, or it is touching. There you go. I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to take a buy right there. Stop loss is going to be right here. And I'm looking to take profit at the high or depending on what I see on the higher one. This could be a fake out though. Let me go look at the 30-minute. This could be turning out to be a fake out. Yeah, on the 1 hour, that's looking really weak. So maybe I'll just wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Based on the 1 hour, action, I'm going to wait. Although this is the moment where I will be taking a retest buy. So let's see what happens. Okay. See what happens when this closes. Oh, that would have been a nice little buy right there at the moment. It's not resolved yet. Let's see. Yep, that would have been a beautiful buy. Okay, no problem. Nothing lost. Still waiting. Still waiting. We got about 4 simulation minutes about here. Let's see, and it's about to close right there. The hour closed. Let's go back up to the 1 hour. This is how it closed. The hour did close outside. So I could take a retest from the 1 hour. If it comes back down again, I could do that. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Keeping an eye on the 15-minute. See if it comes back down. Otherwise, let's see if it creates support to continue going up. Let's see. Okay, here it comes. That might have touched. That looked like a touch. If it breaks the high now, I'm going in. Looks like it's about to break the high. No, not yet. There it is. Okay, I'm going in. At this point, let's go ahead and risk 1%. That's about 1 to 1 right there. Let's go to the 4 hour, see what we're looking at. If it can break through that wick, then it can come to the other supply here, the 4 hour. Let's see what happens. Again, what I'm mainly paying attention to is mitigating anything that goes against me. And so in this case, if it breaks its own low, if this candle breaks its own low, I'm going to cut 50% of it. And if it closes bearish, I'm going to close 50% of it. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. Okay, there's the buy. Let's go ahead and keep moving the ticker. There it is. There it is, moving nicely. Let's go ahead and check out where we are with the trays. Once we get at about 10 pips, which I think it did already, but I can pause it. Oh, 14, 15 pips. There you go. Okay. You got 15 more minutes, 4 minutes for this candle to close. Again, this is approximating supply. Yeah, it's approximating supply. I'm going to go ahead and take a significant amount of the profit. Let's go ahead and take 80% of it. Took it, moved the break to break even, and I'm going to let the rest go. Let's see how it goes. Okay, whatever happens, happens at this point. I'm content with the trade. That was a good trade. It was retest after all, and I could have taken the retest at the zone. It would have been even better. And it never would have come close to the stop loss, but still higher confirmation once you have a retest in the break of the high. So now it is struggling. Let's go ahead and move the next bar, see what happens. And it took me out. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the next day. Bar. That puts me at 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's go ahead and move this to the zones. I want to take care of that one. Let's keep an eye on this one right here for now. Let's move this one over here approximately. And again, this is all approximate, right? I'm just eyeing it because what I'm really practicing is risk management. Again, we have that rejection right there, like we were thinking a possible rejection. Okay, so now it looks like this is consolidating, right? It's consolidating between here and here. Go to 4 hour. That looks like a nice consolidation there. 1 hour, beautiful consolidation, very nice. Nice little drop. It will be a clean drop. Not so clean to the upside. Let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, now we just basically moved the clock forward to 30 minutes. So let's go bar. Okay, that's a breakout. Okay, that's a breakout. Let me see. That's the 2 a.m. candle. Okay, 2 a.m. candle breaking out. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's see if we get a retest here. And I will take the break of the high because it didn't really break too far away from the zone. So let me see if it retests. And then, nope, it just kept going up. Okay, there you go. There's the retest. Let's see now if it breaks the high. It already broke the high once. Okay, looks like it wants to there. No, there you go. Okay, I'm going in. Stop loss is going to be, this is the 15 minutes. So stop loss is going to be below the 30-minute candle. And I'm going to mitigate it with the 15-minute candle. Now let's go ahead and go to the next bar. Okay, so the next bar closed bearish. So we're going to close 50% of the trade now. 50%. Okay. And if it breaks the low of that candle, I'm going to close the whole thing. I know that it could be just retesting, but I'm going to close the whole thing. Okay, let's see. There it is, closing the everything. Okay, just mitigating my losses. This could be a fake out. Let's go take a look at it. Let's see how the 30-minute closes. Okay, looking at the clock over here, still got 9 minutes for the candle to close. So I'm taking a sell here. I'm taking a fake out sell. All right, let's go ahead. Usually this is a higher probability trade. Let me look. Yeah, this is usually a higher probability trade. So let me go ahead and go with 2%. Sell. Stop loss somewhere above that right there, let's say, and take profit all the way down to the zone. Let's put it around somewhere around there. That's pretty good. That's almost 2 to 1. And let's accept that and let's get going. Let's see what happens. If it breaks its own high, I'm going to be looking to taking some off also because it should continue going down. Let's see if it does. Giving it time. Giving it lots of time. There you go. Okay. All right. How many pips are we up? Not very many. Okay. Not very many. Yeah. Looking at the pips down here. Okay. Still struggling. Still struggling. It's about to close here. And closed. Okay. So again, confirmation that it wants to continue going down. This is good. It is struggling at this area. There is this minor place here that it could reject. So once it gets to about 10 pips, I'm going to take some profit. Let's go. There you go, 13. Let me go ahead and take some of that off. Let's go ahead and get a good chunk of it, 80%. Close, break even, and let's let it keep going. Let's see if it breaks that low. Okay, then it continue going down. Let's see. Nope, nope, it's holding. That low is holding right now. So far, it's holding. That was my concern, which is why I took 80% off. Let's see. Now it looks like it may take me off if it doesn't continue breaking down. It's still early in the hour, so it can still break below. Let's see. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. That's up 20 some pips. Okay. Let's see. Let's wait until this 30-minute candle closes. I'm going to give this candle 30 to close. See if it can get all the way down there. Looks like it is. Let's see if it can. 5 more minutes. 5 more of the simulation minutes. 29, 30. There you go. I'm taking it. I'm going to go ahead and close it now at this point. I should have probably gotten profit there, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and close the whole thing. There you go. Because this could go up at this point. Not sure. Let's see what happens. See what happens with the next bar. Yep, that would have taken us out. So you see, good decision. Okay, let's go to the next day. This looks like very little volume for this time of the night. By now, I would expect a little more volume. Let's go to the daily. Ooh, lots of rejection here. Look at these wicks, okay? Lower wick, lower wick, lower wick. This is a fake out, okay? It looks like it's losing volume. Look at all this volume going up, then lower volume, lower volume, lower volume. So let's see what we have today. We don't know. We don't know what can happen. So there doesn't seem to be a lot of volume today. Let's go ahead and let the 30-minute break out, and then we'll decide what we want to do. Let's go ahead and move something like that. All right, and let's go to the 30-minute. There you go, bar, 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 just waiting for a breakout. Okay, not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, that's already 5 o'clock in the morning. That's a no trade day. Go back to 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's go check that out. Okay, that's about resistance. And this is somewhere about support, something like that. All right, something like that. We do notice this down here, but I think we're good right here, right now. Okay, let's go check out the daily. Okay, finally we got the drop. There you go. Finally, we got the drop. Rejection, rejection, rejection. We got the drop. Now, perhaps there's continuation here, or this might have found support in lower time frames to keep moving up. Looks like it's still going down. Okay, let's see. All right, this looks like resistance already formed here. That will be interesting to take as a sell already, to be honest. I think I will take a sell, and this time I'm going to make it only a 1% because I'm taking it early. I am taking it early, so I'm going to take this, and that will be my stop loss. Okay, sell, profit at the bottom zone, top loss right above. All right, and again, we're going to lose a 15-minute candle as the trade management. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's go. Okay, let's see if it breaks down. There you go. Yes, no, yes, no. It's struggling. Yes, no. Can't make up his mind. Okay, now it looks like it might have found support. Oh, time out, time out, time out. That's a 15-minute candle. It broke above the previous 15-minute candle. Let's go ahead and close half, 50% right there. Okay, let us keep going. All right, and I broke above the other ones. I'm gonna head and gonna close the whole thing. Okay, it just didn't work out. Okay, I'm gonna close the whole thing. Now I'm just gonna wait for the break of the zone. I'm gonna wait for the break of the zone. Let's see, next bar. Okay, next bar, nothing, consolidation. Look at that, it still went down. Okay, and finally it broke. This is 3:30 in the morning. I love that little candle right there. If it can break the low, I'm going in. All right, let's go. Here we go. Oops, there you go. Let's go ahead and put that stop loss above which wick? Let's go to the 30-minute. Let's put it above the 30-minute. And here I'm going to go a little more aggressive. I'm going to go with 2%. Okay, sell. I'm targeting the low. Okay, stop loss is above that wick right there. All right, and I'm going to use a 15-minute to manage the risk. Okay, just like planned. So if it breaks its own high, it may break 50%. If it breaks this high, close the whole thing. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Momentum should carry it down. Okay. So far, so good. There you go. There you go. Okay, how many pips was that? Oh, I missed it. Okay, gotta keep an eye on them pips. It's just the thing is moving too fast. Okay, still waiting. All right, giving it some time. 20 minutes for the candle to close. Still struggling. Okay. All right, if it comes to my entry now, I'm closing 50%. Okay, let's go break the low. There you go. Do it again. Do it again. Come on, do it again. Oh, no. Come on, do it again. Oh, no. I was going to take 50%, but I wasn't able to. So let's go ahead and close partials right here, 50% off. All right. If it closes back inside, obviously I got to stop the whole thing. See if it breaks its own low, I'll go back in again. Oh, looks like it's going to. It hasn't. So being patient. Okay, being patient. Okay, that was a nice little close right there. Let's look at the 30-minute. Oh, finally the 30-minute close out. So it could go back up. It could go back up for another retest. Let's see what happens. This is a 9 pips already. It would have been a nice little win. Do I want to secure some of that? It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I probably should secure some of that. Let me close 50%. Okay. That will mitigate some of my loss from closing it when it closed break even. And now if it breaks some low, do I want to go in again? No, I want to see it go up. I want to see it go up and retest. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, here you go. Let's see. Let's see if it goes up and gives me a retest from the 30-minute, because the 30-minute is the one that just closed. I don't think it will now because of the price action on the 15-minute. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I should have closed 50%. Let me go ahead and close that now. Okay, at break even. And now let me see if we get a retest. Because I should have had I break even already. See if we get a retest. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's breaking up above. Okay, it's breaking up above. Let's see if we get a wick now to break down. Let's see. No, it looks like it's coming back inside. So this is going to end up being a fake out, but it's not likely for me to take it. This would be the retest of the fake out if it's going to be a fake out. But it's not likely for me to take it because it's already 4:15 in the morning. So I'm done for the night. Well, I'm tempted to take it to the upside. I'm really tempted to take that to the upside, but I'm not going to. Okay, let's see the next bar. Let's see what would have happened. Yep. Ooh, consolidation. No good. Okay, so I'm glad I didn't do nothing with that. Okay, let's go to the next day. It's going to be the Friday. And this is going to be the last one. Let's go somewhere around right there. I could do it there. How many pips is that? Got to measure those pips to the downside. Let's see. It's 26 pips. But is it easy? Will this be easier sell below this or below where it's at right now? It's going to be below this, right? Because it's completely open down here. So let's go ahead and move that down there. All right. Let's take a look at the overall picture of what's going on with everything. The daily, oh, okay, rejected down here. And then the bullish, now that today's bullish. 4-hour, week bullish so far. Okay, maybe it's looking for support to then move up. It has half supply up here. Perhaps it's looking to mitigate that. Let's go, okay, to the 30 minutes and let's wait for a breakout. Okay, that's support. That's support right there. That looks like the beginning of the move up for a buy. I'm not going to do anything, but oh, look at that. I'm glad I didn't do anything. Okay, that looks like it's breaking down. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, beautiful. So now I am definitely looking for, let's see. Okay, two things about this. created support. This looks like it's going ready to break the high of support. It is bullish already on the day, which is breaking the high of the previous day. 4 hours also bullish. I'm going to take a buy right here. I'm not going to wait for it, or should I wait for it to break the high? I think I'm going to take a buy right here. I'm pretty confident in my analysis. I'm going to take a 2%er. Okay, it's still going to have to be down here. Let me see. Look at the 30-minute. It's still down here. Wow. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, I don't think it's going to go beyond that. All right, so that's almost like a 1-to-1 on that. Let's go back down to the 15-minute to manage the risk, and let's go. Okay, let's see what happens. I expect that I can touch there and then bounce, and then this will be the retest, and then go. There you go. Okay, it's going pretty good. Okay, it is Friday. I'm going to try to secure some as soon as I can. That probably would have been a 50% closing right there, but giving it a chance. Okay, giving it a chance. Let's see how the 15-minute closes. There's a 50-minute close and it closed bullish, so we're still good. Okay, let's see what happens now. It's okay. It's still trying to continue going up. Holding, 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 holding. So holding. Oh, looks like it's going to break the low. It's holding still. Okay, it did not break the low. It closed above also. So this should continue going up. Let's see if it breaks the minor resistance that it created just there for it to continue going up. There it is. Oh, it looks like it will be. It looks like it wants to. There you go. There you go. How many pips are we up? Ah, it's very few. Very few. Okay, there you go. 10, 11. Really more than that. But now if it comes to my entry, I'm going to have to close 50%. 50% closing right there. Okay, because that's what I'm practicing. Okay. And let's keep it going. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, breaks a low. I'm closing it all right there. Closing it all. Closing it all. Okay, all right. It did go about 12 pips, which could have taken profit, but that was that. So having managed risk, let me see what time of the night is it? It's just the London Open just now. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's still good. I mean, it could still retest. But I don't like that price action on the 30-minute or the 15-minute. Let me see how the next 15-minute bar closed. Oh, it closed above still. Okay. Let's see the next bar. Okay, back inside. All right. So now that's the 330. Okay, so I'm thinking that's a fake out. Let's go ahead and use this as my last trade of the day. Let's see. Daily. Okay, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute. I'm considering that as a fake out. Okay, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to go for a 1%, just because again I took a loss there. I lost some of my profits. I don't want to risk more. It is Friday. Let's go ahead and do the trade right there. Sell. Let's move that up there for the stop loss on the 30-minute. Let's do a take profit. We could do a take profit all the way down here if this is really going to sell. Although I know that this could be a struggle right here. So let's keep an eye on this. This is almost not quite 2-to-1. And let's see what we get. Managing risk on the 15-minute. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we get. Okay, there was a lot of big rejection on that wick when it closed outside. It's breaking the, oh, not yet. It almost did. Oh, nice retest. If it's gonna go down, that was a nice retest. If not, it's indicating they might want to go up, giving it an opportunity. See if it breaks down now, then we should be good if it breaks down now. There you go. There you go. Break the low. Break the low of your own. There you go. Okay, now it should go pretty good. Let's see. There you go. Okay. Not very many pips up. There you go. There you go. Ooh, 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 ooh. That spot right there is a problem. There you go. I'm gonna take some profit here because of that spot right there. So let's take let's go ahead and do a big portion of it. 80% closed. Break even. Cannot lose this trade. Now let's see if it goes down to the bottom. We can actually just go ahead and move bar to make this faster. Bar, almost there. Oops, now I'm going to take that profit. Okay. I'm going to close it now because again, it closed opposite of my candle. I could have taken profit all the way down here, but it closed opposite of my candle. I'm going to close it. That's a 22 pipper right there. Go ahead and close it at almost end of the week at 5%. Okay. Let's go look at our stats. Largest profit was 1923. Largest loss was 549. Average profit per trade is 571, and the average loss per trade is 172. So that's almost 4 to 1. Not quite 4 to 1, but almost 4 to 1. And so anyway, guys, this is soft for FX, again, software for FX is a wonderful simulator that you can use to practice your trading. I find it very helpful. And I think if you use this tool for two things, to practice your strategy for how to take your strategy, and then you also use it to practice mitigating losses and cutting your losses short, you're going to benefit immensely then when you go trade live. This is just a beautiful, beautiful tool, and I think it demonstrated its value right there. I hope that you guys benefited from this short video. I'm going to edit it so it doesn't take all this time that it did, and hopefully you will benefit from this and that you are also back testing your strategy during this weekend. Okay, that's it for today. God bless you. Bye-bye.